Welcome to our comprehensive guide on effectively using your controller, Pergo Pro, to manage your pergola. Follow these precise steps to ensure a seamless operation. Let's start. In this video, we will learn how to set your controller's function step by step. Part 1. Pairing and unpairing. Section 1. Pairing the remote control and rain sensor with receiver. First, press button C or button H to select the channel numbers from 1 to 15 for one of your pergola. Then, press button W and button RGB simultaneously for 3 seconds within 20 seconds of powering up. When the selected CH number on the screen, CH1 as example, blinks 7 times, and subsequently the mono lights flash 2 times, indicating remote control and receiver pairing success. Then immediately apply water to the surface of the rain sensor. When the sensor's backside blue indicator starts to flash, pairing success. Section 2. Unpairing the remote control and rain sensor with receiver. First, press button W and button RGB simultaneously for 8 seconds within 20 seconds of powering up. When the selected CH number on the screen blinks 2 times, pauses for 3 seconds, and then blinks 5 more times. And subsequently the mono lights flash 3 times, indicating remote control and receiver unpairing success. Then immediately apply water to the surface of the rain sensor. When the sensor's backside blue indicator starts to flash, unpairing success. Attention! Do read pairing and unpairing precautions on this page. Part 2. Mono lights on, off, and dimming. Section 1. Mono lights switch on and switch off functions. Short, press button W to switch on or switch off mono lights. Section 2. Mono lights dimming function. Long press button W for 3 seconds to enter the mono lights dimming mode. When double dim on the screen starts to flash, then use button up dimming up or button W dimming down to set the mono light's brightness. Dimming down. Dimming up. Long press button W for 5 seconds to exit the mono lights dimming mode. If double dim on the screen stops flashing, the brightness setting is successful. Part 3. RGB lights on, off, and dimming. Section 1. RGB lights switch on and switch off functions. Short press button RGB to switch RGB lights on or OFF. Section 2. RGB lights dimming function. Long press button RGB for 3 seconds to enter the RGB lights dimming mode. When RGB dim on the screen starts to flash, then use button up dimming up or button DW dimming down to set the RGB lights brightness. Dimming down. Dimming up. Long press button RGB for 5 seconds to exit the RGB lights dimming mode. If RGB dim on the screen stops flashing, the brightness setting is successful. Part 4. RGB color selection and rainbow timing. Section 1. RGB color selecting function. First, short press button RGB auto with the RGB rainbow duration set to O South. One of the RGB color on the screen will start to flash. Then use button up or button DW to select the desired color. The lights will change to the selected RGB color. To confirm the selection, long press button RGB Auto for 5 seconds until the color on screen stops flashing. Section 2. RGB Rainbow Change Duration Setting. First, long press button RGB Auto 3 seconds to enter RGB Rainbow Duration Setting mode. One of the duration numbers on the screen will start to flash. Then use button up or button DW to select the desired transition duration. To confirm the duration setting and exit the mode, long press button RGB Auto for 5 seconds until the selected number on the screen stops flashing. Part 5. Motor Travel Limit Setting Precisely. Part 5.1. Motor Mechanical Travel Limit Setting. Enter the Mechanical Motor Travel Limit Setting mode. First, short press the motor control button to enter the mode. The up and down arrows on the screen starts to flash. Then, press and hold both button up and button DW simultaneously for 5 seconds to enter the mechanical position setting mode, which is confirmed when the monolight flashes 3 times. Motor mechanical longest position setting. First, long press button up until reaching the mechanical longest position, with the up arrow flashing on the screen. Then, long press button motor control for 3 seconds to confirm the position. Monolights will flash 2 times for confirmation. Motor mechanical shortest position setting. Immediately after the mechanical longest position setting is completed, long press button DW down arrow on screen flash until you reach the mechanical shortest position. Then, long press button motor control for 3 seconds to confirm the position. Monolights will flash 2 times for confirmation. Exit the motor mechanical travel limit setting. Press button up and button DW simultaneously for 5 seconds. Up and down arrows on screen flash. The monolights will flash 5 times to exit the motor mechanical position setting mode. Part 5.2. Motor Operational Travel Limit Setting. Enter the Operational Motor Travel Limit Setting mode. Immediately after the mechanical travel limit setting is completed, long press and hold both button up and button DW simultaneously for 5 seconds to enter the operational position setting mode, which is confirmed when the monolight flashes 3 times. Motor operational longest position setting. Long press button up arrow on screen flash until you reach the desired position. To fine-tune the position, short press button up or button DW. Then, long press button motor for 3 seconds to confirm the position. Monolights flash 2 times for confirmation. Motor operational shortest position setting. Immediately after the operational longest position setting is completed, press button DW down arrow on screen flash until you reach the operational position. To fine-tune the position, short press button up or button DW. Then, long press button motor for 3 seconds to confirm the position. Monolights flash 2 times for confirmation. Exit the motor operational travel limit setting. Press button up and button DW simultaneously for 5 seconds. Up and down arrows on screen flash. The monolights will flash 5 times to exit the motor operational position setting mode. Part 6. Group Control. Group Scope Lock and Unlock. Section 1. Lock the selected group channels. First, short press button C or button H to select the group range. Then, long press button C and button H simultaneously for 3 seconds to confirm the groups. CH on the screen flashes 3 times to indicate a successful lock. Section 2. Unlock the selected group channels. To unlock the groups, long press button C and button H 3 seconds. CH on the screen will flash 2 times to indicate a successful unlock. Section 3. Group control via channel 0. Max control 15 channels. Short, press button C and button H to select the channel 0 to enter group control mode. Then you can control all functions of the paired channels via channel 0.